Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to turn the Chanel Beauty Holiday Set into a Chanel camera bag. Chanel came out with a bunch of holiday sets this year. I'll link all the information below, but they start at such an insane price. So the least expensive set is $72 and it's the matte match set, and it comes with 2 lip products and it's packaged in this really pretty red little zip pouch in this really pretty black Chanel box. Now I got the Instant Illumination Beauty Set, and it comes with the Hydra Beauty Camellia Water Cream, the Golden Light Balm Essential, and a highlighter. So I like this because I really haven't been wearing like red lipsticks, like bright red lipsticks. Plus I got the Dior lipstick set. So I figured I will always use a face cream. The Balm Essential is great for highlighter and looking dewy, and I love highlighters. And then I also got the Moisture Must-Haves hand and lip care set, and that comes with the infamous La Creme egg hand cream, and then a lip balm, which I will always use. If you have seen my recent video talking about the Dior lip set, I love that lipstick clutch. They come out with a lipstick set every holiday, and then as a bonus this year they came out with a Stellar Shine lip set, which was like a tinted hydrating lip balm set, and it was in a pink saddle clutch. I love those sets because I love the actual case that it comes in. It's a really cool zip clutch. The insert comes out and then you can fit your phone and everything in there. But what is great about this is that the Chanel beauty pouch comes with these loops on the side. And what's so great about the loops is that you can hook a chain strap onto it. Now I have this chain strap. This was sent to me for review by Dress Up Your Purse. She's great. She ships super fast. She makes tons of accessories for bags. So she has this chain strap. She also makes leather straps. She also makes tassels that match. But look how cool. So this is it on the side. Okay, so the hook goes straight through the loop right there on both sides. And then on this side, I added the tassel from her shop just to dress it up. And you can see up close, this material, it's not a velvet like they did last year. It's kind of like a rough, scratchy, like a raffia material. But it's so pretty because look, you can see it really catches the light. This is such a great size because it fits everything you need. So here's the Camellia Beauty Water Cream, the lip balm, you can fit your egg cream, and you can still fit your phone. So here's my phone, and I have an iPhone 10 Max, and that all fits in here. See, that all fits in here perfectly, and then it just zips closed. What I love about this is especially with this tassel on the side, this is giving me such YSL Lou camera bag vibes. I did an entire review on my YSL Lou camera bag. Obviously it's bigger than this, but the size of this pouch is pretty much the same size as the YSL Lou mini camera bag, which I was considering getting. But with this Chanel beauty pouch, not only do you get the beauty products of whichever set you choose, it's $100 essentially, like on average. So again, I got the Moisture Must-Haves set, and this was $90. So it's just so much more affordable. The YSL Lou camera bag, even the mini, I think, the price went up. So I think that's like $1,100. Okay, you're saving $1,000 getting this set. Now I included these links in my stories. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I definitely recommend you follow me on there. I'm way more active on Instagram. And if I ever find a really great deal or, a sale, I will post it in my stories with a swipe up so you can grab it real quick. As soon as I posted this with the fact that, you can turn it into a bag, it's sold out like instantly from the website. So depending on whichever set you want, you can always DM, her name is Marae. She works at the Chanel Atlanta Beauty Boutique. She is amazing. She'll always include samples and whatever. And I am such a huge advocate for purchasing directly from the beauty boutique if you can. I did a review of the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle L'Eau Privée fragrance, and I got that from her directly. The beauty boutique will have exclusives that they don't have on the website, and so with that launch of the fragrance, it included this really cute eye sleep mask and a door hanging tag, because their whole thing was it's a bedtime fragrance. But yeah, look how cute. I'm gonna get up close to show you exactly how to turn this into a camera bag. So here is the loops on the side, right? There's a few stitches on the inside that keep the loop closed. And so in order to slip the hook of the chain strap into the loop, I had to use cuticle scissors and cut open, and I'll include pictures because this is kind of hard to see, but I had to basically stick the scissors inside, to cut the seam out from inside the loop. And so once you do that, you are free and clear and able to go through. And it doesn't damage anything here because the seams are still intact. It's kind of like when you get a jacket, when you buy like a suit jacket, and it has those stitches that keep the flaps of the jacket together. It's like that. You just cut it and then it's totally fine. It's on the inside and it doesn't damage it. And so once you do that, you're able to go ahead and put the chain on there. So it slips right through. You don't need any extra hardware, just the chain. It has the hooks on there. I use this on all my other LV pouches because I love turning pouches into crossbody bags. At this stage in my life, I just love having my hands free. I just love to add the chain strap, and then you have the little decorative tassel. And you don't have to include this, but I love this because it kind of gives me YSL camera bag vibes. It's also similar to a Chanel, like the actual vintage Chanel camera bag. I did a vintage bag haul recently and I recommended my favorite resellers, and I was looking for a Chanel camera bag, but you know, with the prices with Chanel are just so crazy right now. With they're having another price increase soon, and I'm just not about all these price increases. So if I can get the look of a camera bag for $100 or less, I mean, I'm gonna do it. It fits everything you need. It fits your phone, it fits your keys, and it's just so cute. And these are really sturdy. You know, it has the stitching here. I mean, yeah, it's not, you know, it's not leather, but it totally is pretty substantial. The material is really nice. And it just, yeah, it's just great. I mean, such a great look. So I'll do some mod shots for you. Okay, so this is it. This hits me at the perfect length. You know, she has a bunch of different sizes, so, and she's very responsive. So just message her and she'll advise, you know, what's the best length for you. But I just, oh my gosh, look how cute. So by the way, I'm wearing gym clothes, okay? Don't judge me. It's so hot up here. So yeah, so this is it. It fits me, it hits me right on the hips. And it's just so cute. I love camera bag styles because you can zip it open like this and just grab your phone. And then it fits right back in there. You can wear it in the front if you're traveling, and this way it's like right in front of you, or you can have it off to the side and just have what you need when you are running out. Okay, and this is the red one. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So same thing, this fits your phone, this fits your keys, your, you know, lipstick, whatever, powder, touch-up. The red is really pretty. It almost looks like it has gold flecks in it, but the material, again, it looks like a raffia material and it catches the light and it's so pretty. It has the gold Chanel written there. It has a gold zipper. Even the zipper pull says Chanel. And then I added the tassel on the zipper pull so that you can pull it by the zipper. Totally get the look of a YSL Look camera bag or a vintage Chanel camera bag for only $72. And then you just add these chain straps and the zipper pull. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this. I am going to be wearing this all around. This is just everything I need, you know, when you're going out and you are always using hand sanitizer, you know, all these luxury designers, Louis Vuitton and Chanel, you don't want to damage the leather of your real bag. So, you know, just bring this. And then this way it has everything you need. So you have a Chanel camera bag for $72. That is just my quick and easy way to turn a Chanel beauty pouch into a camera bag. And I love doing this. Like, I love finding great deals and, you know, using what you have, accessorizing what you have to fit your needs and your purposes. It serves its purpose, it does its job, it saves you thousands of dollars, and it gets the job done. So I love it. I love this look. I love adding a chain strap. But yeah, it's just such a great idea. These chain straps are from Dress Up Your Purse. Message her, she's great. I have an affiliate link below and a discount code, A Heated Mess. So if you want to save 15% off on the chain strap and then the accessories, you can go ahead and use that link. But you don't even need to use that link. If you have chain straps at home, if you have a crossbody strap from another purse, if you have the Louis Vuitton Felici bag that has a really pretty gold chain strap, go ahead and add that because it has the loops where you can hook on, and it does what it needs to do for a lot less. So I hope you enjoyed this video showing you how to turn your Chanel beauty makeup pouch into a bag. Let me know if you plan on getting any of these sets. They're so cute. The makeup is great, you know, the skincare is great, but this is just such a great idea. I just love this $72 Chanel bag. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.